Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 515-207-2006.
Hi everyone, this is Matt with Learn About Law. If you're looking for information on Iowa estate planning laws in 2023, you're in the right place. The good news is there haven't been any major changes to these laws this year, but it's still important to have an understanding of what estate planning entails. After all, no one likes to think about their own death, but it's crucial to make sure your last wishes are taken care of. So let's dive in and talk about what a will does in Iowa. If you're over 18 years old and have a sound mind, you're able to create a will in Iowa. You'll need 2 witnesses to sign the document in your presence. A will is essentially a document that lays out what you want to happen to your assets, real and personal property, after you die. You have the freedom to choose who you want to leave your assets to, whether it's family members, friends, or even charity. It's important to update your will after major life events like marriage or divorce, though. If you don't have a will in place in Iowa, your estate will go into probate. Not sure what that means? Check out the article on Iowa probate process. Okay, so what happens if you die without a will? Well, that's called dying intestate. In that case, the laws of intestate succession in Iowa could come into play and determine who gets your assets. The laws can be complicated, but here's a general overview. If you have a spouse but no kids, your spouse gets everything. If you have kids and a spouse, your spouse gets everything. If you have kids but no spouse, the kids get everything. If you have a surviving spouse and other descendants, your spouse would get half of your real and personal property as long as it's over $50,000 in value. The rest would go to the other descendants. If you have surviving parents and no spouse, they would get everything. If you have siblings but no spouse, kids, or parents, they get everything. If you die without a will and have no surviving spouse or lineal descendants, the state would get your assets. That's why having a will is so important. It can save your family members a lot of stress and confusion. Keep in mind, some assets are not affected by intestate succession in Iowa. This includes life insurance proceeds, assets in a living trust, retirement accounts, and joint tenancy real property. And what about a living will in Iowa? This document lays out your end-of-life health care wishes. To be considered valid in Iowa, the person making the living will must be over 18 and have a sound mind, with 2 witnesses signing the document in their presence. One of the witnesses must be a non-relative. Now let's talk about the Iowa inheritance tax. This used to be a tax that was passed on to beneficiaries who received an inheritance. However, the Iowa legislature has repealed this tax, and it will be completely phased out by 2025. So there you have it, a general overview of Iowa estate planning laws and any recent updates. If I didn't cover your question in this video, I urge you to check out the link in the description for more information. Like and subscribe if you find the content helpful and would like to see more. Leave any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll see you next time.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed this video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Please email us, book online, or call us at 515-207-2006. We have many locations for your convenience. We serve all of Iowa. Thank you again for watching.